Given a matrix A that has the following form: 1, 1, 1 minus 1. We want to find the inverse of this matrix. Okay? The first question that we need to answer is, does the inverse exist? To prove that, we compute the determinant. In this case, it's 2 by 2. It's just the product of this one minus this one. It's minus 1 times 1 minus 1 times 1, which is minus 2, which is different from 0. That means it's the inverse exists. Okay? So to do that, we're gonna see that when we apply this one to a vector u v, okay, we get when we apply this one 1 1 1 minus 1 on this one x y, we get x plus y and x minus y. So we're gonna call this component, the first one is u, the second one is v. So this is x plus y and this is x minus y. Okay, so here finding, so we can, in different way, we can write this one in ax is u, with x is this component and u is has component uv. So we want to write x as a inverse u. Okay, the quickest way to do this is we can add u and v. Okay, so adding a first equation to the second, we get u plus v is 2x. This gives us that x is u plus v over 2. And if we take u minus v, we're gonna get 2y. So u minus v is 2y. This gives us that y is u minus v over 2. Okay, so in this case, we can write x y as u plus v over 2, u minus v over 2. We take the 1/2 outside, and we can write this one as u plus v minus v. And we get our matrix. So it's going to be 1/2, 1 1, 1 minus 1, uv. And this is our A inverse. Okay, so this is x A inverse times u, with u has component uv. So A inverse in this case is 1/2, 1 1, 1 minus 1. Okay, so it looks like the inverse is 1/2 the original matrix. Is that contradiction? Okay, so to make sure that we get the right one, we have to check that A times A inverse is 1 0 0 1, and A inverse times A is 1 0 0 1. Okay, so the effect of this matrix on any vector is that it will take any vector like e1 and e2, it will take this one here on this 45 degrees, and it will take the e2 on this one here. So this is f of e1 and this is f of e2, because 1 1 is 45 degrees and 1 minus 1 is 45 degrees. Okay, so this is some, if you have some kind of shape, it will take it here. So that's the effect of this matrix. But our aim is to compute the inverse, not to prove any of the geometric meaning. Anyways, the A inverse is given by this one.